first class vibes. We're not sitting together, but we on the way.
Play that shit on TNT.
In first class, we don't eat cookies with your hand. You eat it with a fork. Mardi Gras, we all the way lit. We in the building. So we just stepped foot off the plane. It's going down. So I just booked the room. We ready to go. Let's do it. Hey, Mr. Bird, you know we don't stop at the counter.
Let's see what we got. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party.
Now we about to go to a store, get in the Mardi Gras spirit, find us some beads. We're gonna find us some shiny stuff to throw on. We're gonna find us some hand grenades.
And we out here.
We about to be lit, Mardi Gras, stay tuned.
You don't want to miss this.
So hey guys, we here, we getting into the Mardi Gras spirit, about to find a couple costumes or outfits, something we can freak, you know how we So this is our beautiful hotel. This is a cash pick. Let's see how this room looks.
I said we gotta get this for her ASAP. Y'all see what this is? Where to eat around French Quarter for Mardi Gras, cause you know she's hungry. You gotta feed her, y'all.
ASAP.
So this is what top of the line hotels look like that they speak of. Now we about to go switch into this drip, and it's time to get litty. So this is what a cash pick room looks like. Keep in mind I picked this. We're gonna start tallying it up. Woo! That bathroom fire. New Orleans, baby, Mardi Gras. Hey, babe, you like it?
Yes, I love
Let's see what this bathroom hitting for. Okay. We talking royal and presidential in New Orleans. His and her sinks, I should say. I know you're gonna like that. Okay. Mardi Gras.
Mardi Gras.
We about to turn it up. Mardi Gras style. We out here, y'all. They was feeling the drip at the bar. They said it's hard, it's hard.
So hey, our people. So as y'all can see, it's raining a little bit. So we about to go see what's going on around Bourbon and see where we can park this. She lit. How are you? So guys, we back at the hotel. I gotta get a coat. It's a little chilly and we about to catch an Uber because parking is crazy. So we about to go get me a coat and come back down to my bed, killing it.
So we just parked the car, now we about to go in the Uber.
Yeah.
Get dropped off to Bourbon.
You know we need a hand grenade and I need a shrimp pole.
ASAP.
I'm ready to go down to Bourbon Street. You know, our first stop, Tropical Isle.
Get one of those hand grenades. We've been thinking about it since last time we was here.
Yes, I hope Tim, the bartender, is there. Tim, we're coming for you. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can put
We're
down
gonna see if she can put
tonight.
down
You
four.
gonna be a gutter girl.
Hey, all that in a bag of chips, right?
You gonna be a gutter if you drink 4 of those. You gonna be a gutter girl.
We out here, baby. Mardi Gras. Bourbon Street.
I can see it in your eyes, you gon' go.
What's popping that slush?
Jesus loves you guys.
Uh-oh. He getting it. He getting it. Mardi Gras, bro. We made it. Tropical Isle. Trying to get these hand grenades. It's packed in here. Yeah, baby. There you go, my love. We got Ren in the building.
Yeah, you're right. Mardi Gras. Come on down to 600 Bourbon.
Okay, okay.
Wow.
You see it.
Okay, I'm gonna be ready for another one in a minute.
Back on the strip and it's raining like a Mardi Gras is crazy. Hey! Homie lit! Get this food. We just went in the first po' boy spot. First spot that said po' boy. La Bayou restaurant. But let's order this food. I'm hungry.
So we're at this spot. We were craving shrimp po' boys. So we're gonna see what that's all about.
I'm trying to eat and get back to these drinks.
Hey baby! You know you can't go wrong with a shrimp po' boy. Eat that, get back to the drinking these hand grenades, and turning up. It's Liddy, Mardi Gras 2020.
Mardi Gras, Uh-oh. She's gonna barf. Try to warn her, y'all. This is what Mardi Gras is all about. 5, 4, 3, 2.
If you drink 4 of those, you gonna be a gutter girl.
Yeah, Mardi Gras. They enjoying that though.
Where's Waldo?
Somebody toe up. Mardi Gras definitely lives up to the hype.
Ace Banks on the track.
Always working. Always working. Domino's out here grinding right now. They on they grind right now. They is not playing. They grinding. They got them carts, boy. Them carts in motion. They grinding.
Chili dogs, they right there. You want to try it?
Oh God, we just got done eating, love.
But I'm hungry.
Let's get something sweet or something if we gonna break the diet.
All right, let's walk right down. You see, babe, Mardi Gras vibe, blinking in, you know.
Happiest of this city. Come to events, swag with the occasion. You look oh so fresh.
And you just simply kill it. Yeah, man.
She turned. Look, she. Oh, drop it low, drop it low, drop it low, drop it low. Somebody's filling their grenade. She got some. Yeah. course, El Gridio's hungry again. We gotta feed her, y'all. Bottomless pit. All right, thank you. Okay. Say hi to YouTube. We lit Mardi Gras. They ain't looking too happy right now. Getting detained and questioned. Look at that. So of course El Gridio wanted some desserts, so
You know we had to go here.
These are off the chain.
Uber flow. About to go back to the room.
Yes, guys, we are beat and tired. We've been up since like 3, 4, 5 in the morning.
We had a great night at Mardi Gras. First night, we back at the room.
Yes.
Chill, lay it down.
Tired.
Night. Rest up, start fresh tomorrow in the morning.
Yes.
Stay tuned. Tomorrow is the last day. It's actually Fat Tuesday, so it's gonna be even crazier. All type
The
of parades.
grand finale.
It's the grand finale.
I can't wait.
Stay tuned.